Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can hide files and folders from Windows search results. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. If you want to hide files and folders from search results in Windows, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. From there, scroll down until you find Searching Windows and click on the arrow. Then go to Exclude Folders from Enhanced Search and click on Add an Excluded Folder. In the box that opens, search for the folder that you want to add and click on Select Folder. In Windows 10, go to Settings, click on Search, then Searching Windows. Once again, go down to Excluded Folders, click on Add an Excluded Folder. And like in Windows 11, choose the folder to add and click on Select Folder. If you want to hide a folder in Windows, this process is the same for both 10 and 11. Right-click on the folder you want to hide. Then search for Properties. Under Attributes, click on Hidden. Then click on Apply and OK. Later on, if you want to unhide a folder, you have two options. The first is to go back and uncheck the box in Properties. The second is to have the File Explorer to show hidden items, and it varies a bit between 10 and 11. But either way, what you'll do is you'll look for View and look for Hidden Items. Make sure that is selected so you can then view hidden items. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.